Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OPPO A5x. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings, and then we need to go over and scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here we can check the volume levels. As you guys can see, my levels are pretty okay. And now what you guys can do after checking those levels is to clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So basically, don't use anything metallic, just use the soft brush. The speaker grill is right here, right on the right side from the charging port. And now what you guys can do is basically clean it gently. Don't put too much pressure on it, don't use anything metallic as I've mentioned before. And now moving on, we can disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. So go to settings, and here we need to go over to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth isn't enabled. So as you guys can see, now it is enabled and now it's not. So what we can do next is update our software. It's very good to actually update our software. If we don't upgrade it, then we might have a lot of glitches on our basically phone, and they can also cause your speaker to stop working or microphone not working. You can basically have any type of glitch because of not updating your software. So scroll a bit down and now go to system and updates, and here go to software update. As you guys can see, it's basically checking for updates automatically, so whenever I leave and join again, it will check for updates first. I'm running the latest version of the ColorOS. If you don't, then I recommend you guys upgrading it to the latest one. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.